This is River again with my third nature video, and today the nature video is about the pheasant. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding about that. Oh, hey, Uncle Gary. Actually, it's about the psychedelic plant.
Yes.
This plant was used in the Native American culture, and when people smoke it, they go a little bit cuckoo.
Yeah? What's it called?
And that's why it's called a psychedelic plant.
And what's it called?
Psychedelic plant.
It's called
cannabis. Yes, it's called the cannabis. Hey, this is River again with our fourth nature video. This one is going to be really cool. So it's about bats. And what kind of bat are they?
fruit bats.
Fruit bats. Well, they're living in my grandpa's house right now. Like, not in it, but they're living in the shed. And we'll show it to you now.
Okay.
It's hard to see if they're there. You know it. Wait, yeah.
There they are. It's a whole pod of them.
Can you see them?
I think so.